So this is the Dethleffs c.fold. It's a concept study of Dethleffs made in cooperation with two customers of us, with Peter and Monika Marchart. And the special thing about the c.fold is you can fold this upper part completely down until you have a maximum height of 1.65 meters. Like this, the vehicle is way more aerodynamic and it saves you fuel or you reach in your electric vehicle. So that's the basic idea of the car. So I'd say let's hop in.
Wow, Nicholas. It's really amazing in here.
Thank you, Madeline.
Oh. I like the colors that you have chosen, wood with the light green. So amazing.
I would say it's calm, and also the beautiful thing about it is your view is always free. It's not blocked by any furniture, and that's a special thing about it. And also the basic idea of it is you have those things only when you need them. So for instance, here, when you want to cook...
You must be hiding something here.
Exactly. When you cook, you have a great big surface, a great surface to cut, to do whatever thing, to do whatever what you need for cooking. But if you need to go to the toilet, brush your teeth, whatever, just push this up. And a small bathroom shows itself. And inside you see a toilet of Glissana.
Oh, I know this toilet.
As well with a standard washing sink for your hands.
Amazing.
And of course, the window should not be missing.
Of course. Really nice.
And if you don't need it anymore, just put it in again.
And you have all the space.
Exactly.
It's really nice. Amazing.
Here.
This sink.
Exactly
Or
here.
you can use also
Exactly,
this
you can
area.
use this area for cooking. You have a great space. So for cooking, it's a full electric concept. So it means it's gas-free. We have 300 watts upside down. We have 300 ampere hours of lithium battery, as well as other electric components like here, this induction field. So it's also possible maybe later on when it's a serial product to integrate it somewhere else. But of course right now it's a mobile platter here.
I think it's better mobile, so maybe you can take it also outside in the nature when you are. And here, oops, I'm sorry.
All good, all good.
I'm so
it's
sorry.
just a
control panel.
It's a control panel, exactly. So
I thought it was a drawer.
No. So behind this control panel, here you also see the standard fridge, of course. So there's plenty of space for your groceries, for your drinks, whatever. And of course you can open it from either side.
Of course, yes.
And then, as I explained, the roof folds down. So for your cutleries, for your plates, not to fall down, this needs to keep the horizontal position. That's why those things, those wardrobes here are also movable, as you see. To keep the horizontal position whenever you fold it down as well.
I understand. So when it folds,
Yes?
it goes like this, and plates, okay. Can we open this? It is for
yes,
plates,
of course.
for example?
It's for plates, it's just storage space, exactly.
For glasses, for whatever it might be.
Also some storage space down there. Here as well. And of course, the greatest storage space is underneath those two beds.
Oh.
You can fold this easily up again. So you have
Full maximum space.
Exactly.
All your stuff. Blankets, clothes, whatever.
Plenty of space, exactly. Hopefully also plenty of space to lay here. It's 1.55 meters each bed. And the beautiful thing is here, if you lay here, stargazing, that's beautiful. You can see the stars, and that's quite nice. You can also sit here, enjoy the view out there.
Of course. You can see also mosquito net and blind.
Exactly. So the blinds are also there as well. Mosquito net.
Privacy.
Exactly. So. And
I see that all windows are opening.
Yes.
Which is really important for fresh air in summer period. It's really important for them to open. Also, these ones are movable.
Exactly. All of those are movable.
Yes, amazing.
And as you also see, all of those have separate lights down there, which you can switch off and switch on again.
Really nice, and the lightning all over.
Exactly. For the lightning all over. We can also make it a little bit more romantic if it's necessary.
Yes.
Put it down, put it up again.
Really amazing. I love it.
And
Here is the sitting area.
exactly, seating area. And another cool feature of the seating area is it's not only a seating area, again, it's a dual use. So it has more functionalities than only seating here. You can fold this up and also fold the whole furniture here. Quite easy. And like this, you have a complete space, open space, so same principle on the other side for the table as well. And here you have a great open space to load your bicycles, your e-bikes, whatever. So you have plenty of space and they're secure in here.
You're right, of course. And that's also storage place. Again.
There's some storage place, but also some technical stuff in there.
Yes, of course. Yes. Really nice idea, this one.
Thank you.
Yes, you save a lot of space, and you use it only when you need to sit down.
Yes.
I love the quality, the wood.
So it's proper wood,
amazing.
it's proper oak wood.
Yes.
So it feels different than than plastics or other materials.
Of course. And also here, again, storage space.
Again, storage space. You can open it like this. And have plenty of space there as well.
Amazing, Nicholas. Amazing. I'm gonna take some shots
Yes,
now.
of course.
And I come from the outside, so we can check the rest.
Yes. Alles gut, alles gut. Gleich sind wir soweit. Spiegelt sonst, wenn meine Platte da vor der Kamera ist, nicht so überbelichtet. Jetzt so gut die Auswahl. Ja. Geht die Sonne auf?
Achso, das noch. Okay, and now can you show me?
Yes, let's do it. So the first thing I asked myself when I saw this concept, how do we close it? How do we solve it with the doors? So it's a two-part door. The first part in the lower part, and here the upper part, and that's how it goes. And it's also dense in there, so it's connected via this plastic density here. See it?
Okay, yes, I see it's soft one.
Exactly.
Okay, for insulation.
Exactly, for insulation, not for any water or anything to come in. Of course, it's a hard thing to do this door, so maybe another solution would be to make one part a bit larger. Also for this part in the end to open up, and also to have an emergency exit or entry when the whole thing is folded upside down. Yes. Yes. So also a basic thought of the vehicle is to be lightweight. So we also used different materials than with our standard build-up, I would say. So it's an aluminum material, and it's really lightweight. We could replace a lot of parts in the chassis down there, steel parts, heavy, via these aluminum parts. So that's how the weight of the prototype of around 650 kilograms comes up. And later, as a serial vehicle, this could weigh around 800 kilograms, so really lightweight as well.
Of course, really lightweight. And here also storage space.
Exactly. Here's some storage space as well. I don't have the keys at the moment with me.
No problem. We can imagine. We opened before inside, so maybe it has the same access from the outside.
Exactly.
Yes.
You have the same access, so you can access here the inside as well. And the good thing is you can reach everything comfortably, also everything electric from the inside. So it's quite comfy if there's an issue as well.
Yes, of course.
And here's some storage space as well.
Again from this side.
Exactly, again from this side, a big garage as well. And this is the central turning point of the whole upper part. So it turns around this axis.
Okay,
Yes.
yes, I understand.
Yes.
Here, this. Really amazing.
And
Very beautiful from the backside.
exactly, to me, like the backside is
It's like a spacecraft.
it's another highlight as well. It's quite automotive, or it looks modern, I would say, or futuristic.
I can see also the solar panels you mentioned before.
Yes, exactly. And also another good thing about it is with the air suspension, you cannot only equalize in this axis, but also in this axis. So that means you will never stand like this or like this. You will always have an even surface inside.
Really important. So you don't need the steps.
So
Put the rows on step to be equal.
No.
With the hydraulic system.
It's not necessary anymore. Exactly.
It's really important, this information you give me.
Also a good thing about the air suspension system is you can also weigh the whole Caravan.
Okay.
So you always have full transparency on your load.
Ah, really nice. Yes, you have the indications in the panel.
Yes.
Let's check it also from this side. Too many people here.
Yeah, too many people.
Everybody who comes here in the exhibition, I got amazed also.
Yes. And here in the front, this is basically where the whole magic happens. So all the mechanism to fold it up and down is underneath here. Yes.
All the mechanism is there.
Yes.
And it folds until here.
Exactly. So this part comes down to this part.
And you mentioned before how much is the height?
The height
When
is
it's open now?
when it's open now, it's around 2.80 meters on the highest point, and when it's folded down, it's only 1.65 meters. So it's smaller than I am, and it hides behind your car almost. So it's really compact, and it's also not that large. It's only 1.90 meters wide. So it's a really compact Caravan. You have no problems to put it in your garage because of height restrictions or anything. And of course, as I mentioned, the aerodynamic improvements are just great. And I think it's really a product, a concept for the era, for the age of electromobility, but not only for electric vehicles, also for combustion engines. No matter with which vehicle you drive it, you will save fuel.
And is it easy to fold and unfold?
It's easy. So basically, I would stand here, press on a button, and then it would take around 1 minute, maybe 1 minute 30 seconds to fold it up and fold it down again. So it's quite easy and comfortable. Yes.
You have also a picture.
Yes.
Show me how it looks when it is closed, and I would like to see also our viewers.
That's it. That's how it looks like when it's closed.
Here you can see it better. Amazing. It's really beautiful.
So the huge trailer turns into a small trailer.
Yes.
The material, it's here also sort of aluminum with plastics inside sandwich and aluminum behind it. Maybe I can ask my colleague quickly.
Yes, it's really strong.
Peter, kann ich es kurz haben? Bitte? So this is a cut through the walls, so to say. So this is the outer part, the aluminum material, and here you see lightweight because of the structure here. This is the insulation from recycled PET material, so it also pays into sustainability, so to say, because it's recycled material. And this is the decoration material in the inside.
Really soft.
And it's soft, and it's also it feels comfy. It feels soft, as I said, warm, and it also regulates the climate in there as well.
Regulates the climate.
Yeah, so does.
The material.
It takes humidity.
I understand. So it's cold. It keeps cold. It's hot. It keeps the temperature. It helps to keep the temperature.
Exactly.
Really
and
nice.
There you see how we make sure that the whole thing is dense.
Okay.
So we put those on the lower part. So no small animals, but also no water or anything can get through. And this part as well. So this is all around the Caravan to keep it dense.
Yes, this is a soft rubber, let's say, and this is like a brass.
Yes, exactly.
Really nice. Really interesting. Nicolas, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
For the presentation.
You're welcome.
You're very kind, and I hope that this Caravan may have a good future in sales.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So much.
We hope that as well, and let's see what the future will bring. Hopefully, this product will be there on the roads soon. Yes.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.